One of our Total Automotive site features as a logged-in customer is access to our Quick Order. You can travel to Quick Order one of three ways. Under Ordering Tools in the top menu, select Quick Order, or scroll down on the homepage and select Quick Order from the Customer Tools section. It is also found by selecting My Account Overview in the upper right-hand corner. You can then access Quick Order from the Account Overview screen. Quick Order is a great option for customers ordering the same items on a regular basis. It is an easy tool for any client or their assistant to utilize. Everything you have ever purchased with us is listed under your Quick Order area. Today we are in a test account viewing items that our example has ordered in the past. If you click the minus or plus button by search index results, you will see the quick select links collapse or expand. In our example, if there is a quick item we need to order, we log in, travel to Quick Orders, and select the quick link that we need. We are clicking Ford, Filters, Air. You would enter the quantity needed and select Add to Cart. It's that simple. Let's review some of the other Quick Order features. Let's say there is an item on your Quick Order that you know you won't need to purchase again. Maybe it is discontinued, for example. In our case, we will use this Ford key cutter. We have replaced our key machine and no longer need this item. All we need to do to remove it from the Quick Order is click on Remove from Quick Order and select Yes. Our system will process your request and quickly remove the item from your Quick Order list. If we select Quick Order again from the top menu tabs and scroll down, we can see that the key machine is gone from our list. Another feature of Quick Order will make your life easier when you're browsing the website. We will browse for batteries as an example. Maybe we will need to order this battery in the future. We can select Add to Quick Order, and this item will now appear on our Quick Order list. The Quick Order feature not only acts as a shopping list of previously purchased items, but it can also act as a shopping list for items you want to purchase in the future.